I'm Nikki from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Honda CR-V. This car comes with a really nice specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with CD player and USB connections for MP3 devices. You've also got satellite navigation, front and rear parking aids, and that does include a colour camera. You've also got this lovely sunroof above my head, as well as Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone and air conditioning. It also comes with heated seats. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a minimum 6 months warranty with breakdown assistance. Here at Howard's, we like to tailor your experience depending on your individual requirements, whether that be by using our Howard's Click and Collect service, Howard's Home Delivery, or even the traditional appointment at our showroom where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. If you'd like any more information on this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and we will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.